Hey everybody, this is Martha, and this is Kareem, and we were walking by in Central Park here in New York City, and probably set up for one of the craziest words of knowledge, kind of divine appointment things that happened. Pretty cool. We're walking by, and I guess I'm learning about words of knowledge a lot, about what to look for, especially during this trip with everything that you guys sent, and how to try to find things. But it was pretty interesting. We stopped and engaged in a conversation here, and Kevin was initiating, and I was kind of just thinking about the words of knowledge. But basically, he started with Martha, and Martha had actually an hour ago, before coming to the park, had lost her glasses. And so here she is, and she was really upset that she lost her glasses. And so obviously she can't see. And so Kevin had done some, who can't see well, and she was like, me, I just lost my glasses. And Kareem said, yeah, I got an eye issue too. So it kind of started out like that. And Kevin prayed for Martha, and she totally got her vision back, which was just really, really great to see. So she was super excited because she said she was just watching a Bible program today and prayed, and so she just thought, like, wow, like God totally heard my prayer request, and now I don't even need my glasses. I can see fine. She was looking at the buildings around and pinpoints in the buildings and lights, and super excited. And then Kareem over here as well, his eye was in pain. I don't know what had happened, and it was very blurry. It was an issue as well. So we started praying for that. That's Michael, ministering to him. And what's happening is it's slowly increasing. But the thing I noticed here while we're doing ministry, of course, was Mel's word here, a black man with a red bandana. Now, he's got a black bandana, but Martha has what made me think about this, was a red bandana. So as we ministered, I was kind of waiting to maybe share the rest of the word of knowledge. But in the meantime, Michael here is talking to Kareem about talents, things, and it turns out he has a studio in Brooklyn. He makes music, and so he actually has his beatbox there, and he starts to do the music for us, which was great. We just got to love on him. And after he did that, we asked him to check his eye, and his eye gets totally healed as well. So then at the end here, I decided to go for the word for the liver, and said, hey, we have a prayer team in Canada, and they said we're going to meet somebody who had a problem with their liver, and we're coming to the end of our day. Does anybody here need prayer for the liver? And then Martha piped up. She said, that's me. I have hepatitis, and I need prayer for my liver. I'm on medication, and it's in bad shape. And so that was kind of the completion of the word. We're pretty happy. We freaked out. We showed her kind of what you guys had said. We prayed for her. She freaked out, and then we prayed for her, blessed her, asked God to heal her, and we're excited to get a good report. So thank you guys for just, I'm learning so much with the words of knowledge. Thank you for the prayers, and wow, people just getting impacted